Hello, let's discuss the next argument, essay number 10 that I called Anthropologists, Dr. Field and Dr. Karp. Write a response in which you discuss what questions would need to be answered in order to decide whether the recommendation and the argument on which it's based are reasonable. Be sure to explain how the answers to these questions would help to evaluate the recommendation. 20 years ago, Dr. Field, a noted anthropologist, visited the island of Tertia. Using an observation-centered approach to studying Tertian culture, he concluded from his observations that children in Tertia were reared by an entire village rather than by their own biological parents. Recently, another anthropologist, Dr. Karp, visited the group of islands that includes Tertia and used the interview-centered method to study child-rearing practices. In the interviews that Dr. Karp conducted with children living in this group of islands, the children spent much more time talking about their biological parents than about other adults in the village. Dr. Karp decided that Dr. Field's conclusion about Tertian village culture must be invalid. Some anthropologists recommend that to obtain accurate information on Tertian child-rearing practices, future research on the subject should be conducted via the interview-centered method. So the first assumption is Tertian culture there have remained untouched during 20 years. It's not true. Dr. Karp's conclusion that the observation-centered method is invalid might be incorrect. Question 1. Has the culture experienced any external influence, such as new people that settled on the island? Assumption number 2. Cultural traditions in the group of islands are similar to the traditions of Tertia. It's not true. Tertia should be studied separately from the other islands. It's better to provide information about only Tertia in order to compare the results with Dr. Field's results. Question. Are cultures the same on all islands? Assumption number 3. The children were talking more about their biological parents because they were brought up by their biological parents. It might be true if the children were talking about the time spent with the parents, how they teach them or play with them. On the contrary, they might talk about how they miss their biological parents. And the question that we may ask, what exactly children were saying about their biological parents? Thanks for watching. Bye.